Hello, it's Jill from Glimmerbug, and today I wanted to share with you a mixed media painting I just finished today, which is September 19th, 2022, and it's actually the day that they are laying the Her Royal Majesty, the Queen of England, who died at 96 years old on September 8th. God bless her. I just love this lady. She was just the greatest. I think she's my favorite thing ever. And I always loved her hats. So as I'm sitting here watching the funeral procession, we go through the streets of London and such on their way to their final destination to bury her with Prince Philip. I did a little mixed media painting with a couple of her hats that she was very colorful. She loved color, and she always looked just so beautiful in all of her little outfits that she would wear. So I did a little sketch and then painted in some hats and finished it with some gold around here, and that way it's a little more regal looking. But I wanted to just share with you quick the hats that I did, because I just loved that lady, and I'm devastated that she's gone. And it's funny because when I found out that she had died, I was actually shocked, which, how can you be shocked when it's a 96-year-old person who has died? I never thought I would see the day. I just figured she would live forever. It never even dawned on me that she would no longer be here. Kind of weird. I feel like I'm not the only person that feels that way, but I'm like, how can I be shocked that she's gone when she's 96? But it's just so weird to me that we're not going to have a queen. Well, we've got Camilla now, but it's not going to be the queen and prince. It's going to be the king and the queen consort. So at any rate, I just wanted to share this with you. We're glued to the TV watching all of the proceedings and seeing all of the pomp and circumstance for her, because I think she deserves it after all it was a lifetime of work that she did for England and the United Kingdom. So I think she deserves to go out with a big bang. So at any rate, I just wanted to share this, and I'm going to post some more pictures up on my blog at glimmerbug.com if you want to take a look over there. But I just wanted to share my little tribute to Queen Elizabeth as she takes her final drive to go be at rest with the love of her life. So I wish her well, and I say Godspeed, Queen Elizabeth. Thanks for all that you did for everybody, including us Americans. All right, thanks so much for watching.